If you're thinking about starting a Shopify store this year, do not pay full price. I see people overpaying all the time and it hurts. Right now, there is an exclusive promotional deal where you can get your first 3 months of Shopify for literally just $1 a month, plus earn up to $10,000 in store credits as you sell. I know, it's crazy. I'm going to show you exactly what this gets you, the pros and cons, and how to claim it. To get this specific $1 deal, you need to use the official partner link, which I've placed right at the top of the description below and pinned in the comments. Clicking that link locks in your discount. So, what plan should you choose? If you're a solo entrepreneur just starting out, the basic plan is perfect. It's $1 a month for 3 months, and it gives you everything you need to sell anywhere. You literally can't even buy a cup of coffee for that. If you have a small team, the Grow plan is the most popular, giving you up to 5 staff accounts and massive shipping discounts. And the best part? If you stick with it and switch to annual billing, you lock in a 25% discount for the entire year. But is Shopify actually right for you? Let's look at the pros and cons. The huge advantages are that you can sell across all channels effortlessly, scale globally without your site crashing, and save up to 87% on shipping labels. But you need to know the challenges. To get highly advanced custom features, you might need third-party apps which cost extra. Also, if you refuse to use Shopify payments, they will charge you a third-party transaction fee. So just keep that in mind. If you're worried about getting locked in, don't be. You can start the free 3-day trial right now without even putting in a credit card. If you hate it, you cancel instantly with zero hassle. But if you love it, you only pay $1 a month for the next 90 days. The promo is active right now. Go to the pinned comment or the top of the description, click the partner link, and just enter your email to start your free trial and claim your $1 a month deal before it's gone. Let me know in the comments what kind of store you're building.